I'm gonna do an unboxing. I got a package from Gerard Cosmetics and I'm so excited. So yeah, here's my box. I'm so happy. Yay! So, I think this is the first time I've ever been sent like makeup. Like good makeup, like makeup that I like and that I want. Like, I am just so damn excited. So yeah, just gonna jump into this thing. So I kind of already opened it because I was just really excited. So open it up and it's in this cute little box and it has a little note there, and it's like, you know, one of those things where it's like, hi beautiful, thank you so much for your order and welcome to the Gerard Cosmetics family. We hope this very special delivery has made your day a little brighter. It did. Okay, so stuff. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, so I got 2 setting sprays, some lip liner, and their liquid lipstick. And I've never actually tried their liquid lipstick before. I'm gonna start off with the setting sprays. I got 2. They are coconut and watermelon. How exciting. I've never had a coconut or watermelon setting spray. I have other Gerard Cosmetics setting sprays. I have the rose water and the lavender, and I love them both so much. So now I have coconut, which as you can see, it's like white, obviously. Yum, it smells really good. Yum. Love the smell of coconut, bro. Okay, and then the other one is watermelon. Watermelon. Bow. Okay. And this one's pink. I am literally just gonna spray both of these on my face because I wanna. Okay, it smells really good. It smells like candy. Ah, oh no. You guys, I have this little handheld fan where after I spray on setting spray, I use this little mini fan to like dry it off. And it works. And I also do this with my eyelash glue, like with my fake eyelashes. I'll put the glue on it and then like put it in front of the fan. And then I talk in front of it like, Luke, I am your father. Just kidding. Okay. But anyway, yeah, let me dry that off. La. By the way, if you guys haven't noticed, I got extensions. I got tape-in extensions. I just went to get some makeup wipes so I can take off the lipstick that I'm currently wearing and try on these. So I'm gonna start off by showing you guys and myself which lip liners I got. Okie dokie. So this one is called Bel Air. It's like that color, like a peachy mauve. Mauve. I don't even know how to say that fucking word, okay? But whatever. That is this. And then the next one, this one is called Share, which is kind of like a darker peachy mauve, kind of. And then this one is called Sugar and Spice, and this is like a tanny nudie kind of sitch. And then these are the liquid lipsticks. They're actually called their Longwear Hydra Matte Liquid Lipstick. So, ooh, this is a pretty color. Oh, Invasion. So, oh my god, that's a really pretty color. Wow, I love. It looks like that, I don't know. This one is called Mile High. Oh my god, that's really pretty too. Wow, that'll match. Oops. This one's called Skinny Dip. Ooh, I really like this. This one is called Bear It All. And then this one is called Serenity. I'll start with this lip liner. I'll start with like the Share lip liner, which is this color. I'll do a little swatch on the back of my hand. Oh, hell yeah. That looks like a color that I already wear, so this is perfect. Gonna go right into my makeup routine nicely. Okay. Holy shit, this lip liner is so creamy. If you guys have ever used Kylie Cosmetics lip liners, like how creamy they are, this is like how they feel. Oh my god, this is like amazing. It's so easy to like draw it on your lip and it's so creamy. Like, yes, yes, Gerard Cosmetics, your lip liners are amazing. They kind of all look like they would match. Dang, this is a hard decision. Skinny dip. Let's do skinny dip. Oh yeah, that's like perfect. Yay! Perfect. So that was skinny dip and the Share lip liner, liquid lipstick and lip liner together. Hold on, I got a piece of dry skin on my lip, but hell yeah. Alright, well the liquid lipstick, that dried pretty fast, like pretty good. Oh shit, there's like nothing on my hand. Okay, well that was lit. Cool. Alright. Hell yeah, that's ideal. Okay, so I don't know if you guys have ever tried Kylie Cosmetics lip liners, but I have one handy dandy right here. But okay, so I don't know if you can see, but I'll just, for example, this Kylie Cosmetics lip liner, the lip liner, the actual product is like falling out of the stick. Like I can go like this and just pull the lip liner out, which is really annoying because like when you try to sharpen it, it's just shitty. It's like really annoying. So I'm really excited that these lip liners are like creamy and good like Kylie's, but I don't see that shit falling out. If I were to do this with the Kylie one, the whole entire fucking thing would fall out, which is whack. Now I'm gonna use the Bel Air lip liner. I'm gonna put a little swatch on my hand. Okay, so this one's super pinky. It's the longer one that I just did, like that one. And I'm gonna put it on. Ooh, this is so pretty. It's like a light pink. And this is just the lip liner. The Bel Air one. And now I want to pick a Hydra Matte liquid lipstick that I think would look good with it. Oops. Okay, for this one I'm going to use the Mile High liquid Hydra Matte lipstick. Oh my god, yes, this one matches perfect. I'm good at this. Pretty. Okay, so this one was Bel Air and Mile High. Alright, last but not least, with the lip liners, I'm gonna do the Sugar and Spice. Do you guys see how easy and like quick and smooth and creamy this lip liner is? Because like, yeah. Okay, so here's the Sugar and Spice by itself. It's like a perfect nude for me. Okay, I'm gonna use Skinny Dip, the Hydra Matte Skinny Dip. Wow, I am really good at picking what colors match the lip liner, let me tell you. Okay, so this is Skinny Dip on with Sugar and Spice as a liner. I really like this combination. I think all of these combinations work really well and are like perfect for my everyday makeup if I really like it. Okay, on to the next. The next liquid lipstick I'm gonna put on is Serenity. Okay, so this is Serenity. This one is definitely a little like orangey, peachy colored. Yeah, like it feels really comfortable on my lips. It's not like drying. Okie dokie, last but not least, the last Hydra Matte lipstick that I'm going to try on is Invasion. I am in love with this color. This is my favorite color for sure. Okay, and here is Invasion. I think this one's my favorite. I think I'm obsessed with it. I love this color so much. Shit, I just got my hair in there. I'm in love. Okay. And the Hydra Matte lipsticks have like a subtle smell of cupcakes. Like I'm pretty sure, yum, yeah, totally. It smells like cupcakes or something, cake, cupcake, I don't know, but it smells really good. Okay, I'm gonna leave this one on because this one's my fave. And I'm gonna spray my face with some more, oops, watermelon spray. I didn't have the cap on. Yum. My little fan. CoverGirl. Ooh. Ooh, kill 'em. Kill 'em. Yeah! That was my unboxing from Gerard Cosmetics. I'm so excited, so thankful, so happy. Yay! I love everything. Like their lip liners, so creamy and bomb, so easy to apply. Like, love them. Their liquid lipsticks, I love them. Like, I don't have anything bad to say. Like, I'm a happy girl. And yeah, thank you so much, Gerard Cosmetics, and thank you guys so much for watching another video. And like, subscribe, tune in. I think I have a travel vlog coming soon, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, bye.